Although the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention urges people to not travel for the holidays, ABC News reports more than 3 million people took flights since Friday.
With Thanksgiving this week, Sunday is expected to be the busiest day since the coronavirus pandemic began.
Employees at Huntsville International Airport told us they are seeing more people traveling, but it's not nearly as many as in previous years. WAAY 31's Grace Campbell is live at the airport now.
She spoke with travelers who say they want to be with loved ones for Thanksgiving. Grace.
Everyone I spoke with said they are more excited to finally be with loved ones than they are nervous to be traveling during a pandemic. Mary Noor hasn't seen her son since Christmas, and she said not even the coronavirus would keep them apart.
No one should be alone on the holidays, and I certainly don't want my son to be by himself.
Employees with the airport want people to feel safe to travel for the holidays. So they've added more safety precautions like social distancing markers throughout the airport, increased cleaning protocols, and more contactless flight check-ins.
I'm very happy that the airlines are running enough. I mean, I know they still have to take the precautions, but at least I get to see him.
Laura Wright flew from Richmond to North Alabama for her mother's 90th birthday. She is still concerned with flying, but felt it's safer than driving because of the airline's safety measures and her own.
I'm uncertain about it. I mean, I'm definitely, of course, wearing my mask, and I have some gloves, and I actually have an N95 I may put on over this one. But it's a 13-hour car trip, and I was going to drive until the day before I decided to fly.
Even though Nolan Beltran is driving home to Oklahoma to save money, he's flown since the pandemic began and says both options are nerve-wracking.
Going back home to see family, there's that thought in the back of my mind, but also knowing that I'm going to get to see them and knowing that they're also safe brings some comfort in seeing one another.
Employees here want you to know they are following all CDC guidelines to ensure your safety. Live in Madison, Grace Campbell, WAAY 31 News.
Thank you, Grace. If you're going to travel out of state this Thanksgiving, be sure to look up any travel restrictions for your destination. Some states have travel orders in effect that require you to either quarantine or test negative for the virus.